who visited us today, and also indicate that we are really blessed as a school. The name of the guest is Mr. Mabona. Mr. Mabona, can you please come next to me? Right, I'm going to give this opportunity to Mr. Mabona, and you listen and listen attentively as he will be presenting a special gift to one of us. Mr. Mabona. Thank you.
Good morning, Sanbonani. Ninjani? Siapila. I would like to take this opportunity and greet the head of the school, the principal of Abusbanyoni Tiki. He always says, short initials wake. Then he greets the deputy principals Zala, Umemdu, Memu, Sidibeng, SMT Ekaya Yoke, departmental heads, amatisha woke, abo mabasize kwichini, ubabu panda the team yake lapaya, gekamalekos. Amen. Amen. Manje gikabanguta must hear this, ma'am. The purpose is not to parade myself, but is to encourage abantwana. Ngiyabonga the opportunity ye business relationship enginayo nesikolo principal. I really appreciate that. So njengoba beku-awardwa on Friday, ne? Then ngithena ngicheka ngabano ukuthi let me award a learner engizombiza ngegama ngenxa yokuthi there's a message that I want to ukuthi iye kubantwana nakuye. Ngibawa uThubelihle Nkutha eze ngaphambili. Thubelihle Nkutha. Ngawuthi simmetheleni izandla seza, simmetheleni izandla. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thubelihle Nkutha, she is a top performer, overall top performer at grade 7. Am I correct? Yes. So now ngibe nalokhu because ngenza umsebenzi wokuthatha inthombe la esikolweni time and again. So ngiye ngathi let me bring this to her and to encourage her. Ngi-encourage nani bantwana bami ukuthi if you work hard, izinto ezihle ziyazizela kuwe. Now at the moment abantwana baperformile bathole ama-awards. Ama-awards azizele kibo just because of hard working yabo. Now if you continue uperforma kuhle, the bursaries kwa grade 12 zizozela kuwe. Siyazwana bantu bami? Siyazwana? Yes, so carry on ni performe kuhle. Now I want to say to Thubelihle, I'm very grateful mntwanami. I'm impressed about the performance yakho. Ngizile ngazocela uprincipal ukuthi ngicela ukupresenta this to you. Ube bekule picture bengizacela ukuthi principal give up honor principal ukuthi abe khona lapha close naye while I'm presenting this to umntwana. Ngenze this picture ne. It's a picture esithethe on Friday uma bebamnikeza award yakhe. So mntwanami carry on usebenze ngamandla. You are going to get more prizes. You are going to get ibhazari, amabhazari if usebenza ngamandla ne. Ngibongile kakhulu inkosi yomusa ayibusise mntwana. Thank you very much. Siyabonga ne. Okay.
Right, Chiquisha!